Planting coriander in soil is actually the slowest way to grow it. This coriander is grown only in water, no soil, no fertilizers. Look at these roots, guys. But 90% people fail because they use coriander seeds the wrong way. In this video, I'll show you the exact seed preparation, water level and light that works every time. One quick tip now, never drown the seeds, too much water will rot them. Step 1. First take whole coriander seeds, now gently crush them into halves, don't make powder. Soak these crushed seeds in normal water for 12 to 24 hours. This breaks dormancy and speed up germination. Step 2. Water setup. Take a small transparent glass or container. Place a layer of cotton, tissue or sponge at the bottom, whatever you want. Add water carefully, just enough to keep the cotton wet, not flooded. Spread soaked seeds on top, don't stack them. If we are talking about light and care, keep this in bright indirect sunlight near a window. Change water daily or every alternate day. Always keep the sponge moist, never dry, never drown. After 3 to 6 days, seeds start sprouting. If leaf turns yellow, too much water or low light. If seeds rot, water level is too high. This method is perfect for fresh leaves, not lifetime growth. If you want long-term growth, transfer to soil after 10 to 12 days. Water-grown coriander gives faster harvest, soil gives longer life. If your coriander never grows properly, try this water method once. You'll see the result in days. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for simple gardening that actually works.